Good day. Welcome to Strength for Today, and you are with me, George Mkandawire. It's truly a pleasure to have you here. The thought that I would like to leave with you is the following. To develop faith, you have to first identify the cause installed in you by God. There's always a question that we ask ourselves and would like to answer that question. How is faith viewed today? You see, a lot of people do not know that before they can develop their faith, they have to first identify the cause that God has installed in them. This kind of people just do things without checking what the will of God is. Now, let us turn our attention and see what is the kind of picture that the scriptures paint concerning faith. And to handle that, we are still dealing with Hebrews chapter number 10 and verse number 36, and I'm going to say what it says. For you have need of endurance, so that when you have done the will of God, you may receive what was promised. And we have been endeavoring to continue talking about the element that says, when you have done the will of God. And to help us unpack that, we are looking at Philippians chapter number 2, verse number 13. For it is God who is at work in you, both to will and to work for his good pleasure. God creates a desire in you to work out and to do his will. And you have to know what that will is. If you fail to know that cause, that failure will affect your ability to work out and to bring about the effect. And also, we've been looking at a case study where David is wanting to fight Goliath. And in this case study, we find that David has the cause inside, whereas Eliab looked at things from the human point of view, but David kept looking at things from God's perspective. Let's read again and remind ourselves of that story. 1 Samuel 17, verse 28 and 29. And Eliab, his brother, his eldest brother, heard when he spake unto men, and Eliab's anger was kindled against David, and he said, Why comest thou hither? And with whom hast thou left those few sheep in the wilderness? I know thy pride, and the naughtiness of thine heart, for thou art come down, that thou mightest see the battle. That's his perspective, a human perspective. Then let's look at how David answers. And David said, What have I now done? Then listen to this. Is there not a cause? You see, what David is doing is looking at things from God's perspective. You always have to have the ability to see what God is causing in whatever is happening. There is a cause. My son, to develop faith, you have to identify the cause installed in you by God. Grace and peace to you. Amen.